Perseverance. I think most people's definition of this word can be summed up to mean not giving up. And the dictionary says a similar thing when it says it's a persistence in a course in action. But I believe that it's something much more than that. Perseverance is the stubborn refusal to give up in spite of obstacles that stop us from accomplishing our goals. It's the belief that we can overcome these obstacles and achieve those goals. And that's why perseverance can be defined as the key to success. If you ask anybody who's reached a significant goal and how they've done it, I'm sure they'll tell you that they encountered setbacks and failures along the way, and that they're glad that they had the perseverance to overcome these things to get to where they are today. Take Michael Jordan, for example. He was cut from his high school basketball team, and now he worked harder to overcome that and has become one of the best basketball players to ever play. I'm glad that my grandfather was able to pass this gift on to me through his own experiences. About 10 years ago, he was diagnosed with lung cancer, and he had to undergo multiple chemotherapy and radiation therapy treatments, as well as taking many pills a day. And you could tell that this took its toll on his mind and body. And I'm sure that a lot of you in here can relate to that, knowing somebody that's been affected by cancer. And that's why I admire him for his perseverance in beating the odds, even when the doctor told him he only had a few months left to live, and eventually beating cancer and going into remission for the next few years. And that's a true testament to the old saying that says you can't defeat a man who refuses to give up. And I think, and although Michael Jordan and my grandfather are two big examples, I think that these can be applied, that this saying can be applied to everyday life. Because when most people encounter failure, they tend to just give up and not going. And little things such as doing your homework, just taking a test or a quiz, or athletic accomplishments. And if we really had the perseverance to overcome these things, we'd see that it unlocks doors and opportunities that weren't there before. And that's why it can be defined as the key to success.